The news in detail. President Ramnath Kovind appreciated the combined efforts of the union government and state government for bringing peace and fast-paced development in Northeast region in recent years. He was speaking at the concluding session of the Bodo Sahitya Sabha in Tamulpur district of Assam this morning. The president said language and literature connect the people. He also appreciated the efforts of the Bodo Sahitya Sabha for their initiatives for development and promotion of Bodo language. Participating in the Sabha, Meghalaya Chief Minister Mr. Conrad Sangma stressed on development of tribal languages. Every language is important and it must be preserved, he added.
केंद्र सरकार और पूर्वोत्तर के राज्यों की सरकारों के मिले जुले प्रयासों से इस क्षेत्र में सौहार्द और शांति का वातावरण और भी मजबूत होता जा रहा है। इस परिवर्तन के लिए मैं केंद्र सरकार, राज्य सरकार तथा बोडो क्षेत्र के सभी भाइयों और बहनों को बधाई देता हूं।
Therefore, sir, we look to you also to support us in our endeavor to see that not just Garo and Khasi, but all the different communities and tribes and languages that are there in the Northeast, different tribes, they may be small, but their identity comes from the language and the culture that they have.